Of first come first serve. How do you participate and how I will participate inside of this airdrop? I'm going to show you. Just keep attention and watch this video, and then after watching this video apply this work in your one. Okay, so copy this link and paste into any of your browser. Now you need to definitely have your Solana wallet, Phantom wallet, or Solfera anyway to it and get the Phantom wallet address. So simply unlock your account. Okay, anyway, to unlock, then you need to get the Solana wallet. So simply copy it. Now you need to paste into here. When you do submit, it will be success, and then okay, yeah, after clicking on, you need to connect your Twitter, you need to connect your Discord, you need to connect your Telegram, and that is the work. Nothing you need to do after that, and that is the ultimate work. Okay, then there will be, if I show you their stuff, they are going to be launched their SPAD token. Okay, SearchPad token pretty soon. Just you need to connect your Twitter, Discord, and Telegram. Therefore they will give you something. Okay, so this is their one of the post. The TGA day is here. SPAD goes live at 1 p.m. UTC. Be ready. Okay,